is kind of a design for a map making one, is the example I found. And then AI, smart or dumb. So what exactly is AI? I mean, it's not exactly something that's well defined, and even if it is, experts don't agree on it. But the one I was able to find from the furthest back definition from 1993 is it's a branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. So, this motivated several technologists and led to the question of how dangerous it could be. And basically, like your classic AI is true intelligence, capable of independent speaking or decision making, and dumb AI are ones that just basically follow their directives. But Stephen Hawking, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates all have voiced their concerns on AI becoming a potential threat to humanity. And Stephen Hawking even went so far as to say it's the greatest, but also last breakthrough in human history. So overall, the key points of these concerns revolve around the idea that AI could become dangerous, but it's only if it evolves past the